This is actually my only meal. I have not any coffee yet, any bread, nothing. This is going to be my very first meal. One more. Oh, the longanisa that was given to me by Louis. I actually gave it to Inigo. Inigo is going to put it in the freezer and we're going to eat it on our camping. Food actually are not supposed to be bring back in the freezer or not to put back in the freezer. Good morning guys, it is a beautiful day. Yeah, but last night there is actually a little rain, but yeah, it is surprisingly beautiful day. And yeah, we are here in the Porsche car park. I'm editing a video. I already finished my coffee maybe yeah, an hour ago, and I am editing a video at the moment, and now I'm hungry. Oh yeah, I just take this out. This is what I'm going to eat. This is my leftover yesterday. If you remember, I cook a burger and I still have that much. I remember that I also have boiled egg here. I don't know if this one is still good. It's already 3-4 days. I actually don't have water, so I need to get water first. The water that I have there, I'm actually a little bit hesitant, and so I'm going to get water in the public faucet where the dogs and other pets drink water. Not this one, because this one is a shower, but maybe it is drinkable too. This one is the sure one because this one has this bottle sign. And this is where the dogs drink their water. I am editing a video and then I realized that, oh, I was editing, it looks like I already edited this one. Yeah, and then I checked the previous one, and yeah, I already edited it. Actually, I just needed to add music, and so I wasted like 2 hours. Yeah, I just added the music and it's now rendering again. And look at that, it is busy in here now. Yeah, lots of people over there. Yeah, they are going to the water playground, both kids and adults. Yeah, and the car park is actually full. And it is already, what time is it? 11:57, and my duty today is 2 o'clock. Even here at the back, it is also lots of cars. It is now 1:06, and yeah, the sky suddenly changed. It is now cloudy. It looks like it is going to rain. Yeah, and I'm going to work now, and I will see you tomorrow, because tomorrow I will be day off, and tonight I will go to Newcastle, to my apartment. Yeah, I'm going to do some yeah, general cleaning here in the barn. Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, at the moment we are here in Bunnings. Yeah, Bunnings warehouse. I'm going to buy another like a wallpaper, no, a tiles that I'm going to put there. Look at this, there is a beautiful Samurai. Yeah, the brand is Samurai. I believe it is also a Suzuki Jimny. Yeah, I like it. Today I work from 6 o'clock and I finish 2 o'clock. The time now is actually 3:30. Yeah, I'm getting this. This is just $2.50. Yeah, $2.50 each. This is 2. There is supposed to be a sausages, but they don't have today because of the rain. We are now here in Salamander Bay Shopping Square, and yeah, I'm going to buy some food for the Well, actually just for 2 days. I was actually coming from a day off. Yeah, yesterday. Just one day. And I was just in the house. I was just editing the video. And then I will be day off again after 2 days. And that is going to be 3 days off. Yeah. Should I buy the same burger that I bought last week? Oh, I found it. The one that I bought last week is now on sale. It is now $8. I don't want it today. I want something else this time. Actually, I'm just going to have a bok choy. This $2.50. And yeah, the tuna before, you know, I always if you remember, I always buy this, I always eat this, but yeah, I have not have this for maybe 5 months already, or a year. So we're going to get one. This is just $1.10. Yeah, this. Yeah, the cashier was telling me, oh, you're going to have a tuna and bok choy. And then she asked me, is it a sandwich? I said no, it will be with rice. And she said she likes the tuna. Now I'm cooking the rice. I am really cravings for rice, that's why yeah, I need to cook this. I'm using the scissor to cut this bok choy. Let's brighten the light a little bit more. So actually, let's place it here like that. I'm not sure if the light is visible outside. Actually, it's clean. There is no sand. Yeah, sometimes in the kitchen at the workplace, sometimes there is sand, so yeah, we need to wash. Soy sauce. It is very difficult to move here. Actually, that is enough. And I'm going to eat it with rice. It's like that. There is a police car over there. If you see that, that's a police car. Yeah, I was thinking that they might come here and tell me, boss, it's not allowed to cook inside the van. This is amazing. You know, the combination of bok choy and tuna in can, it's always the best. Even if you don't put anything else, it's also always going to be taste good. Oh. It's raining. The police car just left. Oh, I just realized that I opened the window. Yeah, now it's wet. Yeah, also the other side. Yeah, my uniform actually partially get wet. Oh, it reaches here in the dashboard. Okay, let's continue eating. I forgot again to remove the key, and now yeah, runs out of battery again. No good. I actually just tried to restart, but it won't start. But I believe my other battery is still still 13.2. I'm just going to wait for maybe 1 hour, and then I will try to restart again. It happens before. I forgot the key in the keyhole here. Yeah, and it won't start. And then I called the roadside assist, and before they came and when they arrived, I actually tried to restart and it starts. Hopefully it will start this time. If not, it's okay also, because I'm here in the shopping mall and it's actually still raining. It has been raining the whole day. I am not totally sure, but I think that my other battery here is going to share some battery to my main battery, and then it will start again. Let's see if it is going to start. Oh nice, it starts. Amazing. It is now 7:54 and we are now here at the gym.